Hello everybody, welcome to GIS E-Pathshala, Social Science Grade 7, Social and Political Life. See, we are seeing about how the state government works. We are seeing about how the state government works. You know, in our country, three-layer structure is there. The taluka level, district, then taluka level, state level and central government. See, three levels are there. So how the state government works? We have seen the work of MLAs who are the MLAs in the previous lecture. Now we will see further how the state government works. See, a debate in the legislative assembly. See, we have seen in the Parlampur village, the water problem is there, water is not coming regularly. Because of that, the cleanliness is not there. Many people are suffering from diarrhea, all maximum children and ladies are there in the hospital, and all such type of problems are there. So now further we will say how legislative assembly work. See, our friend Sujata and many other students from the school traveled to the state capital to visit the legislative assembly, which was housed is an impressive building. See, that is a very impressive building where all these MLAs are meeting, they are discussing, debating on some of the matters. So they went to see that. During this time, MLAs can express their opinion and ask questions related to the issue or give suggestion about that should be what should be done by the government. See, the MLAs are asking they are putting their opinion, express their opinions. They ask question related to some of the issues. Suppose some water problem is there, road related problem is there, some education matters are there. They are asking, they are giving their suggestions also, and they are asking and they are discussing and debating what should be done by the government. The minister then replies to the questions and tries to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. The minister then replies to the question. Minister is there. He is listening to all those problems, expressions, opinions, suggestions, and then he tries to assure that the assembly that the adequate steps are to be taken, proper measures, proper steps should be taken in your things, whatever your suggestions are there, whatever problems you are asking for us to solve, for all these matters you will get an any proper solutions and adequate steps should be taken. The chief minister and other ministers have to take decision and run the government, and they have to take the decision. All are saying, suppose in school all the students are, all the head students of the class monitors are coming and saying some of the common problem, then the principal and management should apply some of the things and they should do the proper things in the school for some of the things. Now see, different MLAs came, what they told. MLA 1, in my constituency of Akhondagon, during the last 3 weeks, there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. Government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea. I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measures to control the situation. See, the one MLA came and he told that from my constituency, see, from all the constituencies, MLAs are coming. So the MLA is saying, what he is saying that in my constituency, in during last 3 weeks, 15 deaths were there. 15 people died because of the diarrhea, and nobody is paying proper attention. I am saying to the government, but government is not showing proper attention. Now the second MLA said, my question is why a government hospital is such a bad situation. The second MLA is saying, asking that why the government hospitals are not in good condition. Why is the government not appointing proper doctors and the medical staff in the district? Why government is not doing giving proper doctors and medical staff in the district hospitals, government hospitals. Now see the third MLA is saying, my constitution is of Tal Tolpati to have a serious shortage of water. See, the third MLA is saying in my constitution, serious water problem is there. Women travel up to 3-4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? So he is saying that women traveling for 3 to 4 kilometers for water. And how many tankers I would manage to put in the village? How many wells and ponds have been cleaned? कितने पॉन्ड्स और वाटर को क्लीन करवाया, बट वाटर शॉर्टेज इज देयर ओनली. द फोर्थ MLA is saying, I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken step to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to the help people. See, now first three were saying that government is not doing anything. Now the fourth is saying that my colleagues, means all together those who are doing the same work, they are saying are the colleague of each other in one place. So the fourth one is saying that these all are making the problems big. See, government has given the proper water tankers are supplied, ORS packets and all the things are given in the hospitals. Government is doing proper work. MLF5, we have very poor facility in our hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for last few years. See, first 5 number MLA is saying that in our area the hospitals are very poor since last few years. No doctors and proper medical staff appointed in that hospital. In another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. In another hospital, the doctors are not available on time, they are on leave only. This is very shameful that the hospitals are there and people are not getting the facilities, because whenever people are going, doctors and medical staffs are not available. Now, what MLS6 is saying, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. So now the ruling party and opposition parties are there. So they are saying that opposition parties are blaming the government because they are saying the government is not working properly. The previous government did not pay any attention to sanitations. They are saying the previous government did not pay any attention for sanitation. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years. Now what he is saying, the previous government has not done any work, but now we are trying, but the garbage was lying since long, so it will take time to clear and clean all the things. So this type of debates are going on. Some are saying good for the government, some are saying government is not solving the problem, some are saying we are doing the problem. Oppositions are saying the ruling party is not proper, ruling party is saying that the oppositions are blaming without any reason. Such type of conflicts and debates are going on. The members were debating the action taken or not taken by government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. In common usage, the government refers to government department and various ministers who head them. See, then the government refers to government department and various ministers who head them. See, government is not saying all places, each and every places. So, he has to refer to the, suppose health related problem is there, he has to refer to the health minister, and then they are discussing why you are not working properly or why any problem is there, what sort of solution we should do, all type of things. More correctly, this is called the executive part of the government. This is called the executive part of the government. All the MLAs who gather together in the legislative assembly are called the legislature. See, in MLAs gather are called the legislature. Head of the executive of the chief minister is formed among the MLAs. From the MLAs, only one person becomes the chief minister of the state. The working of the government, the legislative assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action demanded. See, it is not like that only in the legislative assembly the MLA is saying and the whatever the opinions are expressed. You will find newspaper, TV channels and other organizations regularly talking about the government. See, newspaper also, TV channels, now maximum we are noticing that people are expressing their opinions. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. See, immediately the press conference organized by the health minister. The minister explained the steps the government had taken. The minister explained the steps that these steps government has taken. Reporters asked many questions at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. See, reporters were then asking many questions and these discussions were reported in different newspapers. In newspapers also you will get that health minister said like this, health minister said like this, they are providing doctors, and these all things are coming in the newspaper also. During the next week, the Chief Minister and the Minister of the Health visited Patlampur district. See, we have started from the Patlampur district. In Patlampur district, water shortage was there. People were suffering from, due to the lack of cleanliness, people were suffering from the problems, some health related problems are there. So, the Minister of Health visited Patlampur district. ML of Patlampur district went in the Legislative Assembly. He express his things that in our area these problems are there. So the chief minister and the minister of health visited the Patlampur district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospitals. We have noticed that many people died due to diarrhea. So he visited the relatives, families who had lost their relatives, and also visited people in the hospitals. The government announced a compensation for these families. Government announced the compensation for these families. CM said a high level inquiry committee will be asked to look in the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the minister for do something for public. See, CM said that inquiry committee will be asked to look in the needs of the district provide sanitation facilities. One committee should be appointed. It would look after the district, the things what are the done by the district properly for the sanitation facilities, and would request the ministers for the public health. The people in power like the chief minister, and the minister have to take action. See, people in power like chief minister and minister have to take action. They they do so through various departments, and they are doing work with the various departments: public work department, the agriculture department, the health department, education department, and so on. See, chief minister alone cannot do so. The other ministers are there and departments are there. So according to the department, they will work. Public work department, agriculture department, health department. See, in this we have seen the health related problem. So health department is there, the education department, and so on. At the same time, newspaper and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government had to respond, for example, holding the press holding a press conference. Newspaper and media are also discussing widely, so the government has to respond. Government has to give answer to the media and press also by holding a press conference that we went in that village and we have done these things, we have taken the steps for this. All the things government had to say in the government has to say in the media also, in press conference also. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporation to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban areas. It may also ensure that health worker is appointed in every village. See, for all sanitation health facilities, the government should ensure that proper toilet facilities are available, health workers are appointed in all the villages. Such type of things the government should make it compulsory. This fact making law on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. This act of making law on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. State-wise, any law is compulsory that is made in the legislative assembly. In democracy, it is the people who elect their representative as the member of legislative assembly. See, in democracy, people are electing their representative who represent their problem or anything in the legislative assembly, that is the MLAs. And thus, it is the people who have the main authority. It is the people who have main authority. Suppose in my constituency, I have any problem in our area, any problem is there, we have to talk with the MLA, and MLA is representing in the legislative assembly. The ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers. From the ruling party members are the ruling party members, then from the government. Those who win with the more vote is counted the ruling party. From the ruling party they made the members, ruling party members form the government. Some members are appointed as ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments. These ministers are in charge of various departments. One minister is in charge of health department, one is for the public work department, one is for the education department, and so on. Thank you. Like this, the government is working. MLA is playing major role in the state government. The MLA is the representative of the people. Thank you.